Hello and welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering top-rated products that everyone is raving about. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling yarn products on Amazon. Whether you're an avid knitter, a crochet enthusiast, or just starting out, we've got the finest selections lined up for you. Without further ado, let's jump right in and explore these incredible yarns that are taking the crafting world by storm. Stay tuned and enjoy the countdown.
Let's unravel the magic of our number 5 bestseller on Amazon, Yarnart Jeans Yarn, an extraordinary creation that blends tradition and innovation. Imagine a yarn so versatile, it's like a chameleon in the crafting world, transforming effortlessly into anything you envision. Crafted with precision, Yarnart Jeans Yarn boasts a unique composition of 55% cotton and 45% pack, polyacrylic. This blend delivers a perfect harmony of softness and durability, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. Each skein weighs a lightweight 50 grams, yet it stretches an impressive 160 meters, or 174 yards, offering you ample material to bring your most ambitious projects to life. Why do crafters around the globe rave about Yarnart Jeans Yarn? It's simple. The spectrum of colors, from soothing pastels to vibrant hues, sparks endless creativity. This yarn isn't just a tool, it's a muse. Picture this: a cozy baby blanket, a delicate shawl, or perhaps an adorable Amigurumi doll. With Yarnart Jeans Yarn, the possibilities are boundless. Users can't stop talking about its smooth texture, which glides effortlessly through your fingers and needles. This makes it the ideal choice for knitting those perfect summer garments. Think lightweight, breathable, and oh so comfortable. But that's not all. The yarn's versatility shines through in charming little bags, gradient cardigans, and even rattle baby toys. Hailing from Turkey, Yarnart Jeans Yarn carries a legacy of quality and artistry. The brand is synonymous with durability, promising that your handcrafted treasures will remain as beautiful as the day they were made. Knitting with this yarn is not just easy, it's a delightful experience. Comfort and ease are woven into every strand, making it a favorite among both novice and seasoned crafters. So, whether you're knitting for function, fashion, or fun, Yarnart Jeans Yarn is your go-to companion. Embrace the endless color palette, relish the soft yet sturdy texture, and let your imagination run wild. With Yarnart Jeans Yarn, your creative journey is only just beginning.
Number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling yarn on Amazon is none other than the Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo White Yarn, a versatile powerhouse in the world of crafting. Imagine the endless possibilities that come with 744 yards of premium acrylic yarn, each skein weighing a generous 396 grams, or 14 ounces. This isn't just yarn, it's a canvas for your creativity. Crafted from 100% premium acrylic, Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo is the epitome of durability and resilience. It stands up to the rigors of frequent use and repeated washing without losing its vibrant color or soft texture. Whether you're knitting, crocheting, or engaging in other crafting projects, this yarn promises to deliver results that are both beautiful and long-lasting. One of the standout features of this yarn is its rich, consistent color. Every strand is beautifully dyed, ensuring that your wearables, home accessories, and other projects maintain a uniform look. This attention to detail means no unexpected color variations, just smooth, even hues from start to finish. With a weight classification of 4 medium worsted, this yarn offers incredible flexibility. Compatible with 5mm knitting needles and 5.5mm crochet hooks, it's perfect for a wide range of creations. Think chunky sweaters that wrap you in warmth, cozy blankets that add comfort to any space, or intricate amigurumi that bring joy and whimsy to life. For the technical crafters, the knitting gauge is 17 stitches and 23 rows with a 5mm US 8 needle, while the crocheting gauge is 12 single crochets and 15 rows with a 5.5mm US I 9 hook. These specifications ensure precision and accuracy in your projects, helping you achieve professional results with every stitch. Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo. Yarn is more than just a material, it's a reliable partner in your creative journey. Its durability and vibrant color ensure that your masterpieces remain as stunning as the day they were created. So whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, this yarn is your ticket to endless creativity and satisfaction. Embrace the versatility, enjoy the consistency, and let your imagination soar with Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo White Yarn. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our countdown of the best-selling yarns on Amazon, we have the Woobles Easy Peasy Yarn. Designed with beginners in mind, this yarn promises an unparalleled crafting experience, blending quality and ease like never before. Let's talk about the material, a premium cotton-nylon blend that ensures every project you create has a smooth, modern finish. Composed of 75% cotton and 25% nylon, this yarn is meticulously crafted to prevent splitting, fraying, or snagging, making your knitting and crocheting journey as seamless as possible. With a weight of 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, and a generous length of 164 yards, 150 meters, you have plenty of material to bring your creative visions to life. What sets the Woobles Easy Peasy yarn apart? Its easy-to-see stitches. This worsted weight medium hash 4 yarn is perfect for beginners, offering clear, distinct stitches that make learning to crochet or knit a breeze. Whether you're crafting a cozy scarf, a stylish hat, or adorable amigurumi, this yarn provides a premium look and feel. Knitting with the Woobles Easy Peasy yarn, you'll find it delightful. With a knitting gauge of 4 inches by 4 inches, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, yielding 20 stitches and 28 rows when using a 5.5 mm US 9 knitting needle, precision and accuracy are at your fingertips. And for those who prefer crocheting, the yarn offers a crochet gauge of 4 inches by 4 inches, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, resulting in 13 single crochets and 14 rows with a 5 mm US H8 crochet hook. Now let's add some color to your life. The Woobles Easy Peasy yarn comes in 13 delightful hues. Chocolate mousse, dark brown. The Coal Shebang, black. This sand is your sand, tan. Leaf It To Us, green. Orange You Glad, orange. Happily Ever lavender, purple. Pebble Without a Cause, gray. Eat, pink be merry, pink. Snow Place Like Home, white. A Whole Latte Love, brown. What's Up Buttercup, yellow. Seize the Day, blue, and Let's Catch Up Soon, red. With this vibrant palette, your projects are bound to be as colorful and unique as you are. Imagine the endless possibilities, from cozy winter accessories to vibrant home decor pieces, and everything in between. The Woobles Easy Peasy yarn is not just a tool, it's an invitation to explore, create, and enjoy the art of crafting. So dive in and let your creativity soar with the Woobles Easy Peasy yarn, your perfect companion on every crafting adventure. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling yarn on Amazon? Well, don't get tangled up. Be sure to weave a like, stitch in a subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a thread. Our number 2 pick in the countdown of best-selling yarns on Amazon is a staple in the crafting community, the Red Heart Super Saver White Yarn. A true champion in versatility and quality, this yarn offers everything a crafter could dream of and more. Imagine working with a yarn that's not only reliable, but also incredibly easy to care for. The Red Heart Super Saver yarn is made from 100% acrylic for solids, stripes, prints, and variegates, while the flecked variants include 96% acrylic and 4% other fibers. This combination ensures durability without sacrificing softness. And when it comes to maintenance, simply machine wash and dry your crafted items. It's that effortless. Each ball of this hash, 4 medium worsted yarn, weighs a substantial 198 grams, 7 ounces, and stretches a generous 333 meters, 364 yards. With this kind of length, you have plenty of material for your knitting, crocheting, and crafting projects. Picture the endless possibilities. Cozy blankets, stylish sweaters, intricate amigurumi, all within your reach with this incredible yarn. Let's get technical. For the knitters out there, the knitting gauge is 4 inches by 4 inches, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, yielding 17 stitches and 23 rows when using a 5 mm US 8 knitting needle. For those who prefer crochet, the crochet gauge is 4 inches by 4 inches, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, resulting in 12 single crochets and 15 rows with a 5.5 mm US I9 crochet hook. These specifications ensure that you achieve precise and professional results every time. Red Heart is proudly known as America's favorite yarn, a title earned through years of delivering high-quality, dependable yarns that crafters trust. With over 100 vibrant colors to choose from, Red Heart Super Saver yarn sparks your imagination and brings your creative visions to life. Whether you're crafting for utility or for fun, this yarn's versatility makes it the perfect choice. One of the standout features of this yarn is its OECO-TEX certification, meaning it's free from harmful substances. This makes it a safe choice for all your crafting needs, especially when creating items for loved ones. Think about it. A yarn that's not only versatile and easy to care for, but also comes with the promise of safety and quality. Red Heart Super Saver yarn is the epitome of reliability, making it a favorite among knitters and crocheters alike. Dive into your next project with confidence and let Red Heart Super Saver yarn be the foundation of your creativity. At the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling yarns on Amazon, we proudly present the Lion brand yarn 24/7 cotton registered trademark yarn in white. This isn't just any yarn, it's the epitome of elegance and versatility, revered by crafters worldwide for its exceptional quality and performance. Crafted from 100% mercerized cotton, Lion brand 24/7 cotton registered trademark yarn combines the natural allure of cotton with a sleek, lustrous finish. Mercerization strengthens the fiber, enhances its durability, and imparts a subtle sheen that elevates any project. Each skein is meticulously designed, weighing 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, and extending to 186 yards, 170 meters, giving you ample material to bring your intricate patterns and delicate designs to life. This worsted weight yarn, classified as a CIC-4 medium, runs slightly thinner, making it the ideal choice for projects that demand precision and detail. Picture baby blankets that envelop little ones in softness, shawls that drape with graceful elegance, or sweaters that provide warmth without bulk. The versatility of this yarn knows no bounds. Color is where Lion brand yarn truly shines, from delicate pastels that evoke a sense of calm to rich earth tones that ground your creations in nature's palette. The spectrum of hues available ensures that every stitch you make is a vivid expression of your creativity. Each color, meticulously dyed, maintains its vibrancy wash after wash, making your handcrafted items as enduring as they are beautiful. Practicality meets luxury with easy care instructions. Simply wash your finished items in warm water and tumble dry on low heat. If desired, a medium iron will bring out the cotton's natural sheen, ensuring your creations look as stunning as the day they were made. Lion brand yarn is more than just a material, it's a legacy. A brand synonymous with quality, it has been empowering crafters for generations. Whether you're a beginner honing your skills or an expert pushing the boundaries of creativity, Lion brand provides the tools to express yourself fully. Imagine the possibilities with this yarn. Its smooth texture and easy-to-see stitches make every knitting or crocheting session a joy. Craft intricate patterns, explore new techniques, and let your imagination soar. Lion brand yarn 24/7. Cotton registered trademark yarn in white is your go-to for all projects that require a touch of elegance, a hint of sophistication, and a whole lot of heart. This is not just yarn, it's the foundation of your next masterpiece. So, as you embark on your creative journey, let Lion brand yarn be your trusted companion, turning every project into a work of art. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling yarn on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.